So you've heard about TikTok, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not just another social media app. It's a creative powerhouse that's taking the world by storm. First off, TikTok's interface is sleek and intuitive. It's super easy to navigate and discover new content. You can swipe up and down to explore different videos, and the For You page is like a personalized feed that shows you content tailored to your interests. But what really sets TikTok apart is its unique features. You can do it with other users, adding your own spin to their videos. And the effects? Mind blowing! From filters to transitions, you can make your videos look professional with just a few taps. Now let's talk about the creative uses of TikTok. It's not just about dancing and lip syncing, although those are fun too. People are using TikTok to showcase their talents, share DIY hacks, and even educate others. It's a platform where creativity knows no bounds, but with great power comes great responsibility. TikTok encourages responsible use by providing features like screen time management and privacy settings. It's important to be mindful of what you share and who can see it. So if you're a teen looking for a platform to express yourself, learn new things, and have fun, TikTok is the place to be. It's a world of endless possibilities waiting for you to explore. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and join the TikTok revolution.